The piping fabrication production line consists of raw material storage, rust removal and marking stations, automatic length measuring and cutting stations, beveling and grinding stations, pipe and flange foretorch welding stations, automatic pipe grinding stations, handling conveyor system, an intelligent gantry sorting system, pipe storage, automatic fittings grinding stations, and bending machines. Raw material pipes are automatically transported by AGVs to the pipe storage area for temporary storage. The pipes are automatically conveyed to the fixed-length cutting station via a V-shaped handling conveyor system. The fixed-length clamping mechanism holds the front end of the pipe and moves it a corresponding distance. The circular saw cut the pipe by following the cutting program generated by the nesting software. The track sliding cart then feeding the cut pipe to the end of handling conveyor. And the kicking arm kicks the pipe onto the storage rack. The intelligent gantry grabs two short pipes simultaneously, automatically clamps them onto a beveling and grinding machine where both ends of each short pipe are beveled. During this process, pipe transfer is completed by the intelligent gantry. Finally, the intelligent gantry places the beveled short pipes onto the conveyor system for automatic feeding out. For long pipes, two beveling machines do beveling at both ends of the pipe simultaneously. After beveling, the intelligent gantry places the processed workpieces onto the conveyor system for automatic feeding out. The kicking arm automatically places the beveled pipes onto the storage rack for temporary buffer. The intelligent gantry automatically picks pipes from the storage rack and transfer them to the pipe and flange foretorch welding station, which enables automatic assembly and welding of pipes and fittings. Simultaneously, the pipe fitting grinding station uses one handling robot and one automatic grinding robot to achieve automatic grinding of fittings. AGVs transfer the fittings from the prefabrication station to the side of the pipe and flange foretorch welding station for buffer. The pipe and flange foretorch welding station is equipped with 4 robots. 2 handling robots use visual recognition to automatically pick and assemble the fittings, while the other 2 welding robots perform automatic tack welding. After tack welding is completed, the handling robots automatically change tools, and all 4 welding robots can simultaneously weld the inner and outer circumferential seam of the pipes. After welding, the intelligent gantry moves the workpieces to the automatic grinding station, where 2 U-shaped positioners automatically clamp the pipes. The pipes are then rotated and grinded both ends by 2 grinding robots. Upon completion, the intelligent gantry automatically picks and sorts the workpieces for buffer.